Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran welcoming you in a live chat session with Haley Shah. And yes, I read a lot of requests and उसमें Haley की request बहुत ज़्यादा थी and you guys really wanted me to get Haley on the live and have a chat with her. So here we go. Haley is going to join us shortly, I think in a minute or two. So एक दो मिनट के लिए bear with me and okay, Haley is here. I'm going to join her, add her to the live. Hi Haley.
Hi.
Welcome to India Forums. How are you?
Hi, very good. How are you?
I'm good. And tell me the elephant in the room, how is quarantine going?
यार, it's going fine. ठीक चल रहा है.
मतलब you know starting में everybody was like कि सब pictures लेके Instagram पे डाल रहे हैं, जो भी मतलब fancy food बना रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, but this 2.0 version of the lockdown is
What
now
is
starting
it? What
to
is 2.0 version?
जो ये second time हुआ है, जो extend
अच्छा
हुआ
अच्छा
है,
कि सबको बोर होने
after-
लगा है. That's the 2.0
Yeah.
version. Okay.
right, everybody, it's just getting to us. Is it getting to you
यार,
as well?
It's natural, no? होना ही है क्योंकि nobody is used
Right.
to sitting continuously at home only and फिर आपको तरह तरह की चीजें discover करनी होती है to keep yourself, engaged and not take stress. तो एक point के बाद लगता ही है, but again it's all here. You have to be a little I mean that's how it is. आपको strong
Right.
रहना होता है.
It's
and
the need
you have
of
to cope
the
up with the
hour.
situation. Yeah. तो कितना कोई क्रिप करेगा, कितना कोई कंप्लेन करेगा, राइट? सो
But have you
हाँ.
like now set a routine for yourself? Because like starting में तो everybody was just like मतलब थोड़ा lightly ले रहे थे, थोड़ा like they were just थोड़ा बहुत मतलब leeways दे रहे हैं खाने को लेके and all of that. But now that it's a thing, तो अब थोड़ा strict हुए हो आप
यार,
अपने
my
साथ.
routine is all, I don't know, like I can't even call a routine because कुछ भी हो रहा है. 4:30-5 बजे तक I'm not sleeping, like and then I'm sleeping in the morning and then I'm waking up really late. So
Right.
and that's not the kind of routine I like in my life. That's not something that I encourage. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता. I am a very organized person. मुझे बहुत like I like
discipline.
to have a really nice and a simple routine जिसमें देर तक जगना नहीं होता है. I like to sleep early and I like to have my dinner by 7:30 and that's I think वो तो होता ही है. मतलब मेरा dinner हो ही जाता है. Like I think after our live chat I'll be having my dinner, but वही है कि यार नींद and बाकी सारी चीजों का कुछ अता पता ही नहीं है लाइफ में.
There
It's
is
okay.
Haley Shah official 8 asking your favorite color.
White. I mean, I've said this so many times. I love white. That's the only favorite
there is
color.
Hansika asking you kheer ya besan ke laddu.
Oh, tough question. Anything meetha, I think works for me. Everything
You have a sweet tooth?
Big time. बहुत पसंद
Are
है
you?
यार. और and इन दिनों बहुत craving हो रही है. Trust me, like I want to eat everything unhealthy. I want to eat everything ghee or शक्कर वाला, as in मीठा. But I don't know. Eat a lot.
There is Haley Shah underscore adorer asking, are you starting to watch Korean drama?
Yeah, I've started. I've added a lot in my wish list also. There's this drama called Extraordinary You. बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया, but again शुरू किया है तो I might as well finish it and then I'll probably move on to the ones that are more better and जिसके ज़्यादा अच्छे reviews है. They're nice, they're sweet, they have really nice romantic shows, and the films, Korean films are also really nice. So yeah.
since you said that you have a sweet tooth, are you also like one of those जो cakes and all को लेके experiment कर रहा है घर पे?
Please, I can't do that. I don't want to do that either. Or rather, I'll, try to figure out something once in a while, maybe 15-20 दिन में एक आध बार, to try and make something that's sweet yet it's healthy. तो मैंने कुछ 20 दिन हो गए, 15-20 दिन पहले I tried to make some sort of brownie out of oats का जो हम आटा होता है ना उससे, and it turned out nice यार. उसमें कुछ था नहीं, उसमें मैंने शुगर नहीं डाली थी. I added a little bit of jaggery, brown jaggery, and half teaspoon of honey, and तो थोड़ा सा मैंने अपनी तरीके से कुछ तो बनाने की कोशिश की, and
you try to mix all the ingredients that you love and like make something out of it.
Yeah, I mean जिसको मीठा मतलब पसंद है उसको नहीं पसंद आएगा, but somebody like me जिसको एक alternative चाहिए to something मीठा, like would like it.
There is AD435 asking you what are the things that you're watching and reading these days?
Okay. अच्छा ये क्या आया था? What is that? I'm really bad.
So basically when we put up a story, उसमें if you put a ask a question ना, तो जब हम live करते हैं तो we can take those questions from the story and like display it here and answer.
अच्छा, मैं तो बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आती सारी चीजें. अच्छा क्या था? What was the question? What I'm reading and what I'm watching?
Watching, हाँ.
यार it's been I think 4 to 5 days or even more. एक अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे अभी कंटिन्यू बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं देखनी है, एज इन आई एम लेस ऑफ अ रीडर, सो आई एम नॉट रीडिंग एनीथिंग एज सच, बट देखने में भी मैं बहुत ज्यादा नहीं देख रही हूँ. मतलब व्हेन द लॉकडाउन स्टार्टेड देयर वाज टाइम दैट आई यूज्ड टू फिनिश लाइक 12-14 एपिसोड्स अ डे, एंड दैट्स टू मच. आई मीन एक घंटे के 14 एपिसोड, मतलब मैं 14-15 घंटे टीवी के सामने ही बैठी हूँ अपने. सो बट अभी आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट having a little breather. I'm watching maybe a couple of movies or some light-hearted, comedy show or some comedy movie or something like that. But recently I finished watching this docu-series which is called The Staircase. And it's a documentary series which is turned into a series, and it's really nice. So वो खत्म किया, and साथ में the one Korean show that I told you about, बस वो चल रहा है. As in, yeah.
There is heart_beat asking, tell us about the character from इश्क में मर जावा.
यार क्या कितना बताऊं. Her name is Ridhima. Yeah, I mean we aren't really
right.
Yeah,
I mean by now we would have been able to watch the show, but
but
this unfortunate thing, but
but
if you can reveal like a little bit.
Her name is Ridhima. मैंने देखा है कई जगह पर, people, I mean couple of fans, उनको लगता है her name is Neeti for some reason. Her name is Ridhima, to be clear, and she's a very innocent and a very she's naive, she's innocent, और उसकी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत सारी चीजें होती है which is really unexpected for her. So and a girl like her, मतलब उसको देखकर आपको ऐसे ही लगेगा कि वो ऐसी सारी चीजें नहीं कर पाएगी. Like it's a total risk to her own life and her own being, but yeah, I mean that's how the story progresses, and then we'll
wait for it.
Thank you.
There is Reena Lohar writing, you are such an amazing singer, please keep singing and bless us with some singing videos.
Thank you. I don't see myself as a singer, but I do enjoy singing. मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ that I am a very like I get very shy and conscious अगर मुझे पता है कि लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं गाते हुए. तो वही है कि I'm trying, like it again, it depends on my mood यार. मुझे अगर जब भी कभी मन करता है तो मैं कुछ गा लेती हूँ. And these days, of course, when you know you're home and you have so much free time, तो ये
Free
सब करते
time.
हैं. तो that's what I do, and it really, you know, मुझे बहुत खुशी देता है. To be very honest, it just makes me
There
instantly
is
happy. So yeah.
there is Maria asking you, are you planning to start a YouTube channel anytime soon? And this question I think was there a lot in the Q&A also that we took up. Ki,
Yeah.
any plans of starting a YouTube channel? You know, maybe
No.
because a lot of actors are now, you know, like getting into YouTube.
Yeah, because
probably.
everybody's got free time ना, तो सबको मतलब, you know, I mean, it would be nice to do that, but I'm not really planning on doing that. No.
Okay, there is Haley Shah _ fan page asking, what's been your favorite dish during quarantine?
यार ऑनेस्टली जैसे सब लोग रोज फैंसी फैंसी चीजें बनाते हैं, अलग अलग चीजें बनाते हैं, मेरे घर पे मैं ये सब नहीं बनवा रही हूँ. मेरे घर पे नॉर्मल रोटी सब्जी होती है, दाल चावल होता है, ऐसा कुछ. मतलब मैं ऐसे पकवान नहीं बनवा रही हूँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
But generally, like, what is your favorite thing to eat? Aren't you a foodie, like, or you are?
Of course, I'm a
okay
foodie,
with...
but यार, I am a foodie, but I like घर का खाना more. Like obviously when I'm home, तो मैं ऐसे बहुत सारी ऐसे चीजें अलग अलग नहीं बनवा रही हूँ. I don't know. My favorite thing to eat is oats, masala oats. My auntie, like my maid, really makes some really nice oats. I also like. Yesterday I had besan का चीला. I really like besan का चीला. I mean, मेरे favorite खाने की list में ऐसी सारी चीजें होती है. So for some people it might be very boring, but that's how I like it.
Because you're a Gujarati, you know, I want to ask you, because you all have so many like amazing munchies, jo like
Yeah.
chatar patar type ka. What do you like the most out of
खाखरा, खाखरा.
उसमें भी मतलब एकदम simple plain.
Yeah, and I get my khakras made at home. So, हाँ.
So they taste even better.
Yeah, they taste even better. They have less oil, or I can say no oil, and
Right.
you put a little bit of ghee, and then you sprinkle some chaat masala, and
right.
it tastes amazing, यार. Seriously, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और maybe munchies में और my mummy makes really nice सेब. So उसमें दो तरीके की होती है, एक थोड़ी सी जाड़ी वाली होती है और एक एकदम पतली वाली होती है. वो बहुत बहुत अच्छी होती है, and she makes in such a way कि when you eating you don't even feel कि आप कुछ तला हुआ खा रहे हो. Like it's really like बहुत tasty होती है.
There is Tanushi Bansal asking you, can you give us some skincare tips?
पानी पियो खूब सारा, hydrate your skin, your lips, and maybe once in a while you can try to use some homemade pack sort of thing, mask sort of thing. What I these days I'm doing is कभी कभी मतलब एक हफ्ते में एक आध बार कर लिया, which is besan. You take besan is really good for your skin, and it's a good exfoliator. तो बेसन, हल्दी और थोड़ा सा रोज वाटर ले लो, और maybe you can even add honey if you have dry skin. And yeah, I mean, I'm no expert on this. You can just experiment and see what works good for your skin. Yeah.
There is Haley Shah _ Hana saying, please do more of TikTok videos. Do you enjoy it, or like, you've just like you are making it because like वो थोड़ा बहुत अभी trend में है और खाली time भी है.
No. I never do things कि trend में है तो कर लिया. I'll probably do it because मुझे करना होगा तो करूँगी, मन किया तो करूँगी. And I think it's been so many days मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है to make anything, like even to go on TikTok, as in I don't know. तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. जब भी मुझे बहुत ऐसे बोर होगा एंड मुझे कुछ चाहिए होगा and मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा, then probably I'll go and make some video. And I'm really bad at making TikTok videos, to be very honest. तो
Your
मैं जो
fans
कुछ
would disagree, but if you're saying that,
no, I'm horrible. I'm horrible at it. Trust me.
there is Haley underscore Sufiana Indonesia asking you what are the sort of preparations you had to do for Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2's character. How similar is it to Haley personally?
Yeah, no character is similar to you know, your own self. I feel
Right.
maybe एक आध चीज हो सकती है जो शायद मिलती जुलती हो, but everybody's got different traits and characters, and that's again a fictional character, यार, and we are all real ones. तो बट हाँ, प्रिपरेशन यार, इसमें मरजावा हैपेंड वेरी like this, you know, I wasn't prepared on taking up any show as in, and मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था, as in I was in Ahmedabad, I came, and then suddenly things happened, and then we shot the promo the next day, and उसके बाद then I sort of, we had a little bit of briefing here and there, and then obviously you have a team to, you know, sort of guide you and brief
right.
you. हाँ, so and बाकी गोवा में थे हम, तो धीरे धीरे फिर चीजें होती गई. There was no particular preparation that I did.
Right.
Yeah.
There is Haley FC asking what has been your favorite character out of the ones that you've played so far?
Such repetitive questions, yeah, people ask. Anyway,
अब fans ने पूछा है.
हाँ, कोई नहीं, यार, I've said this a million times, but फिर भी बोल देंगे. Kainat was a very different character, and obviously she was a negative character, and since I never played it, I enjoyed it more. So maybe she comes first. Yeah. Hi, Tanya. Tanya's here saying hi.
There is Chaitu is asking you, has there been something that you've cooked during quarantine? Any dish that you've cooked?
I've hardly cooked 3 to 4 times. एक बार मैंने पास्ता बनाया था, एक बार मैंने मैगी बनाई थी. I mean, that's not even cooking. एक बार, like I said, मैंने कुछ तो ब्राउनी टाइप बनाने की कोशिश की थी, वो बनाया था. And once I also made मैंने बेसन का जो हलवा टाइप होता है ना, लाइक जैसे बेसन का हलवा, बट बेसन के लड्डू के लिए जिस तरह से आप प्रिपरेशन करते हो ना, उसको थोड़ा सा रात में हेल्दी टाइप बनाने की कोशिश की थी. I mean, बाकी कुछ नहीं किया था. Yeah.
There is Vidhi Pandya.
ब्राउनी का लड्डू is their favorite dish.
Vidhi said this.
So the funny story is, मैंने ना उसमें बटर या घी या कुछ भी ज्यादा नहीं डाला था. So obviously for some you know, केक या किसी भी चीज को अच्छे से होल्ड करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा फैट डालना पड़ेगा. I didn't add anything, like I just added a half spoon of ghee. तो वो ना बना नहीं अच्छे से, as in like वो ऐसे थोड़ा सा क्रम्बल जैसा बन गया. तो मैंने अच्छे से उसको हाथ से लड्डू जैसा बना दिया. So that was like brownie का लड्डू.
That's why I think she said the brownie ka laddu. Nada, a lot of people, this question also has been asked by a lot of people. Will you make dance videos? We would love to see.
Please stop asking me these questions, यार. मेरा जब मन करेगा तो मैं बनाऊंगी. Though I enjoy dancing, but I mean, I'll rather dance अपने आप, as in just play some video and dance, but I won't make a video of it. If that.
Aren't you a very you know, aren't you a social type of person? Like, matlab, generally also, are you like an Instagram type of person, or do you not? Like, if you weren't an actor, you probably wouldn't be on Instagram. Is that something?
यार मेरा तो आज मतलब these days तो मेरा बहुत ऐसे कभी कभी ये सब सोचती रहती हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है what if Instagram is not there the next day, and I'm okay with it. We've started
Right.
giving too much importance to the social sites.
Right.
I'll not say that I am not active on it. Of course, I am active on it. I do post, pictures, and maybe if I have some nice video to share with, I will share it with people. But again, I am okay with it if it's not there.
Not
I mean,
there.
like if my account probably gets deleted, I'll be fine with it. And maybe I'll see अगर मैं फिर से account बनाऊंगी.
Amazing.
Yeah, like I'm that fine with it.
There is okay. So these are all the repetitive questions. Ki have
Yeah.
you made some dishes during quarantine and all of that ish. मैं मर जावा के related. There are a lot of questions and people are asking you that would you want to go for Big Boss 14? I am not sure why, but have you ever considered being a part of Big Boss?
I had got calls 2 times, I think, 2 or maybe 3 times. But obviously, that's not something I want to do right now. And I
Right.
think I can't do it. Because maybe अभी उतना है नहीं शायद, to play that kind of game. Like it requires a lot of
Mental,
mind
like,
and yeah.
right.
तो वो शायद मैं अभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी and मैं नहीं कर सकती, and it's too negative for me for now, as in and I don't even watch, like I'm not even a Big Boss fan.
Right.
But
So then
I
it
really
becomes
enjoy
sorta-
watching Weekend Ka War just because Salman sir is there, as in
Salman.
so it's entertaining, so that's the reason I would watch sometimes, but other than that मैंने कभी follow नहीं किया इस show को.
And because जो भी colors का face होता है ना, the people मतलब audience expects कि अच्छा इसमें से कोई ना कोई हमें Big Boss या खतरों में तो दिखेगा. तो has like खतरों been something on your list, because वो थोड़ा सा it's like a once in a lifetime thing, but it involves a lot of like this thing also, adventures.
Yeah, it used to be a lot on my mind maybe a couple of years back.
Right.
Almost 1.5-2 साल पहले, मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि अगर करने को मिला तो कर ही लूंगी, as in you have that thing.
Right.
But right now I don't know, I mean ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, like I don't really plan. If that
But if
makes
it
sense.
happens, it happens.
Then I'll think about it. I mean,
There is
so right
Maria
now,
asking you, would you ever consider hosting a reality show? Like, or any show? Would you consider that also?
yeah, I think that's something ये
That'll
मैंने
be fun.
पिछली एक कोई तो chat की थी, I don't remember, but उसमें मैंने बोला था. So yeah, that would be fun, and that's something that I would want to do.
There is Haley Shah Cute 7 asking, if you want to do some web show, what type of web show would you want to do? Probably some reference or like genre wise, किस type का would you want to?
I don't plan on the kind of shows that I want to do, but
Right.
yeah.
Has there been something that you recently watched and you were like, like even I could be a part of something like this?
Yeah, there are so many shows. But I really want to. I don't know. I want to play a cop someday. I mean, that would be really nice and
Right.
new. Maybe something on those lines. I think that would be really great.
There is Nivedita Rudra asking, would she like to do a comedy serial in the future?
Yeah, anything is I would love to do, like I would want to experiment with different genres, provided I should like my character, I should like my story, as in should like the storyline, and
Right.
I think those are the things that I sort of keep in mind.
There is Innocent Soul, and he or she is asking, Haley, is there a show that you've denied which went on to become very popular?
I don't remember.
Probably I think that would be Big Boss only जो आपने
Uh,
deny किया.
no, there was one show. अभी सिर्फ एक ही का याद आ रहा है. I think इश्क सुभान अल्लाह was a show that I'd said a no at that time because उस time मुझे तुरंत कोई show लेना नहीं था. I wanted to
Right.
give myself a break and obviously it became really popular and that's okay. I mean it's good. But yeah, that's one show and ऐसे होंगे एक दो shows जिसको मना किया होगा.
There is Helisha Adorer asking which app have you been using the most during this lockdown?
Instagram? Or yeah, I mean it's so obvious. You shouldn't even ask this
Right.
question.
There have been
No.
so many lives back to back. So like एक
Yeah.
उसमें
Yeah, I mean कब भी ये लाइव खत्म होंगे?
जब हम आपको सामने सामने मिल पाएंगे probably for a press launch जो अभी
I
तक
mean
हो
look
गया
at this.
होता.
I am doing a live with you and then I am also saying कब ये लाइव सारे खत्म होंगे?
There is
But I'm sure
Chini.
you would have a
नहीं,
thought
कौन?
on this ना कि कितने
हाँ.
लाइव हो रहे हैं यार आजकल.
बहुत like you open Instagram and there are like 11-12 lives going on
Lives
at one
only
time.
going on. Yeah.
But it's good, you know, because like it's keeping you at least engaged thoda, and then you're not
Maybe,
sitting
yeah.
and cribbing a little ki for at least half an hour or so. There is Chini_Prerna who's saying your voice is exactly like Deepika Padukone.
I don't
Have you
know,
heard
yaar.
that before?
I've heard that a lot of times and I don't understand.
But
do I?
पता है मतलब yes, I would agree to her because जब मैं ये बंद कर रही हूँ ना and I'm just looking for questions, I can only hear your voice and it actually is sort of resembling to
Maybe.
Deepika's voice.
But बहुत लोगों ने बोला है.
There are a lot of your fans who are from Arab countries, Turkish,
Yes.
Indonesian, and all of them. What message would you like to give all of them? Because a lot of them are showering love, and they're like, please ask Heli to say some words for us.
Hi guys, and also if I'm not wrong, Ramadan शुरू हो गया, right?
I am not sure.
But because I've seen a lot of messages and
But I think
regarding
it's
that,
just
so
like probably it started, or maybe I think
maybe
एक दो दिन में
so
हो जाना चाहिए.
Ramadan Kareem to everybody and bus what would I want to say yaar? I just want to say thank you for all the love and all the support that you've always been giving me, and it always means a lot.
There is Reena asking you your favorite old Bollywood movie.
Old मतलब कितनी old यार, but I mean, but I think my favorite has to be Andaz Apna Apna. Like I love watching it. Like it's just a fun movie to watch every time. You can binge
Right.
watch.
And I think this is the last thing that we are going to take, which is, can you sing a beautiful song for your fans?
God. You should actually write the song also. मुझे ऐसे तुरंत याद नहीं आता. Like I'm not that
Guys,
alert.
please, if you want Heli to sing songs, at
Please
this point
लिखो
he is going to
कौन-सा
read
गाना.
comments. So
Give 4-5
make sure that you
options.
start commenting.
Give 4-5 options. I shall probably select उसमें से.
And till the time they're sending options, please, if you can also read a few names of people who are commenting and have joined us.
Yes. Hi, Shruti Sinha. Hello, Rumya Saab Bingol. Hi, Yogi Purpa. Hi, Makku Sariana. Something, sorry, missed it. Hi, Elisha Forever. Hi, Leela. Her name is Leela. Hi, Mariam. Maria Ramzan 4190. Hi, Adunio ये लेके.
Usernames are
Yeah, so weird that time and so funny also.
very
तेरे
creative.
जीना
There
नहीं
is,
मरना नहीं तेरे बिना. ये कौन सा गाना है यार? Sorry, I
मैंने
don't
नहीं
know that
सुना.
song.
There is ये एक ही गाना इसमें से मैंने सुना है, which is आफरी आफरी, जो इश्क में मर जावा 2 फैन पेज ने भेजा है. And there is लेजा लेजा, हमदर्द, and yeah, हमदर्द बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं. Some people are like स्वरागिनी का गाना गा लो.
मुझे नहीं याद है वो.
याद कैसे होगा?
हमदर्द का क्या है शुरुआत?
कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा, किसी ने लिखा है.
कैसे डिफिकल्ट सॉन्ग भेजे हैं
भाई, इजी सॉन्ग्स भेज दो.
मलंग टाइटल ट्रैक, I don't even know that song.
Which is your all-time favorite? Do you have something, या फिर any recent favorite also, like कोई something that you're humming currently?
There are so many, but the moment people ask me questions about these things ना, I tend to forget everything. I don't know, for some reason मुझे याद ही नहीं आता है.
There is
Could you sing
हमदर्द
इश्क में
from
मर जावा का? यार मुझे ना किसी की शुरुआत स्टार्टिंग याद नहीं आ
ये
रही.
हमदर्द का this thing lyrics I'm just going to Google right away so that we can get on with हमदर्द.
Okay.
Because I think so many people are saying हमदर्द हमदर्द. पल दो पल की क्यों जिंदगी.
But I should know the lyrics na. Of course I know the tune, but I don't know the lyrics. Anyway, I'll probably sing the female part from Afreen, if that's okay. ठीक है? कौन जाने कैसी बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खींचा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों के शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी, आफरी 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 आफरी. Yeah.
Lovely.
Thank you.
We loved the song. And guys, so thank you everybody who joined in. Thank you so much, Haley, for taking out
Thank
time
you,
and
Simran.
talking to us. And
Thank you.
we hope we meet you soon.
Yes, I hope that too, yaar.
And until then, please take care of yourself and
Yes,
everybody
yes.
around. And
Take care.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Take care of yourselves. See you. Bye.
See you. So guys, that was Haley for y'all. I enjoyed this chat a lot. I hope you guys did too. Live का कोई भी part miss हो गया हो तो live of course मैं save करूँगी, वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. Live is also going to go up on YouTube, तो वहाँ पे भी जाके देख सकते हैं. And of course you know that we love seeing your stories and screenshots and mentions and all of that. So please take screenshots, recordings and all of that and keep sharing. Tag us and we would love to see it. And that's about it. That's all that I have for y'all from this live. 8 o'clock I'm going to be back with Ashna and Khushi. So keep your questions ready. Story pe jaake you can send us questions. हम वहाँ से questions लेंगे. I'm going to do a how well do they know each other with them. So yes. वो उससे related questions भेजना and everybody is saying thank you. So thank you guys also for making this live a super cute and fun interaction. That's all that I have, and this is Simran saying goodbye and see you at 8. So do tune in.
Check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.